Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's exposition. We're taking Proven 11, Part B. This is the second part of Proven 11. We took the first part in the previous exposition, and this is the second part of Proven 11. So still on the series, Proving the divisibility of numbers. How do we get to know if certain factors will divide other factors without a remainder, or if there will surely be a remainder? So today, these are the things we must have for 100% understanding. The first part is basic algebra knowledge using the number line. Is very, very important. You have to understand how to use the number line to solve basic stuffs. In the last edition, or in the last exposition, we didn't use this number line, but we're going to be doing that today. Very, very important. You have a knowledge of this for you to understand what we're going to treat today. So the next is 100% concentration. I want you to concentrate 100% because this very series, which is the last series for all the series we've been taking, is going to be quite tricky, but very easy. So this is the logic. The last digit or the first digit is marked away, then the remaining digits are solved up systematically with the result gotten compared with the marked up digit. So what we have to do is that the last digit or the first digit is marked away. For us to solve this, it is either we mark off the first digit or we mark off the last digit. Now once we mark off either the first or the last digit, the next thing we do is to solve up the remaining digits. And after we have solved up the remaining digit, the result gotten would then be compared with the marked off digit, either the first or the last. So here are a couple of examples. Please, your number line knowledge was right on spot. But probably I'm going to be showing you a couple of examples, provided you don't know how to use the number line to solve. So probably let's see this. Let's just see this. If you're asked to solve minus 6 plus 3, for example, don't forget that the 6 here, what sign does 6 have? 6 has a minus, 3 has an addition sign. So according to number line, this is what we have according to the number line. According to the number line, let's say here we have 0, and here we have minus 6. So when we talk about minus 6 plus 3, plus means addition. Addition means when you have addition, you are going forward. Addition is progression, that is forward. When you have subtraction, you're going backward. Subtraction is a backward movement. Addition is a forward movement. So we have minus 6 plus 3. You stand on the minus 6, then you go to the front 3 times. Minus 6 plus 3. So you're going to the front 3 times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here it's minus 6. What's going to be here? Minus 5. What do I have here? Minus 4. What do I have here? Minus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Or there's another way you can go about it. When you look at this very stuff, I always tell people that minus means you are owing. Minus means you are owing. Y plus means is what you are having. Plus means you are having. Minus means you are owing. So minus 6 plus 3 simply means owing 6, having 3. Now this is a simple phenomenon. If you owe 6 and you have 3, how do we settle this transaction? When the person you owe come for his or her money, what do? You give the person the 3 you're having. It means you are still owing the person 3. So owing 3. So that is minus 3. This is a very simple logic. Minus means you're owing. Plus means you're having. Owing 6, having 3 is the same as owing 3, which is minus 3. So let's go to the main examples, the main testing for today. Look at number 1, test. Let's see if 11 will divide this number with this method we're about to use. This method is not as easy as the other method, but it's very, very interesting arithmetically. 282,678, 282,678 divided by 11. When 11 divides 282,678, will there be a remainder or not? How do we get a note? Now the first thing we have to do is to mark off either the first or the last digit. As I said, mark off either the first or the last digit. So right now, I want to mark off the first digit. So when you mark off the first digit, you start solving the remaining digits arithmetically from the other end. So when you mark up the first, you solve the rest from the back. When you mark up the back, you solve the rest from the front. So 2 is already marked off. So let's solve the remaining digits from the back. So we have 7 and 8 first. The second, this is going to be first, second, third, first from the back. So the second will minus the first. 7 minus 8 plus 7 minus 8. You have 7, you owe 8. What do you have then? You are owing 1. So minus 1. So 7 minus 8 is minus 1. What's the next thing? I will link it with 6. That will be plus 6 minus 1. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Then 6 minus 1. Minus and minus. When you have equal signs, your answer will be positive. So plus 6 plus 1 is plus 7. We solve that. So what's the next thing? We bring in 2. 2 minus this. Plus 2 minus plus 7. Plus 2 minus plus 7. What do I have there? When you have equal signs, positive. When you have unequal signs, negative. Minus signs plus is minus. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So next, we bring in the word, the 8. The 8 is the next that will come in. Plus 8 minus 5. That'll give me plus 8 plus 5, which is plus 13. Having 8, having 5 is plus 13. So now we've combined all those numbers together. How did we do that? We mark up the first digit. So after marking up the first digit, we started solving the rest from the back. And as you can see, all the way from here, 7 minus 8, we got this. 6 minus 1, we got this. 2 minus plus 7, we got this. 8 minus 5 is plus 13. So after getting this, we'll combine the two set of numbers. This one marked off, we'll mark off 2, and then the 13 here. So we are going to compare them. Now how do we compare them? We compare them by subtracting also. 13 minus 2 plus 13 minus 2 will give me plus 11. So this is the final result. 11 divided 11 is 1. There is no remainder, surely. So let's see how we can do it also. Let's see the other one, the other way around. This is how we can do it the other way. We write the same number out. We write it out 2, 8, 2, 6, 7, 8. This time around, what do? We mark off the last one. We are marking off the last one. So when you mark up the last one, what do? This is another method. Or when you mark up the last one, what do? You start solving the numbers up from the front. When you mark up the back, solve from the front. So how do we do this? How do we solve it from the front? We write out the remaining digits 2, 8, 2, 6, 7. That's going to be first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So second minus first, third minus what you get, like that. So 2 and 8 first. What's that? 8 minus 2 plus 8 minus 6 plus 6. Next, 2 comes in. 2 minus plus 6. What do we have there? 2 minus 6. Having 2, owing 6 is owing 4, minus 4. So what do we have next? 6 will come in next. 6 minus 4. Minus and minus is plus. When you have equal signs, having a communication, your answer will be positive. When the signs are different, your answer will be negative. 6 plus 4 is 10. And the very last one, 7. 7 minus 10. Having 7, owing 10 is minus 3. So we're done with that. The next thing we do is, what do we have here? We have minus 3 here, and the one we marked away, the 8. So minus 3 and 8, which one of them is bigger? Plus 8 is bigger than minus 3. So we use the bigger to subtract the smaller. 8 minus 3. 8 plus 3, which is 11. 11 is 1. There is no remainder. This is how we get to know if 11 will divide a given number or not. So this is it for the second method. So we're going to divide 1-on-1 division to confirm if our proven is right or wrong. 11 and 2 is 0. Remainder 2. 11 and 28 is 222. Remainder 6. 11 and 62 is 555. Remainder 7. 11 in 76 is 666. Remainder 10. 11 1 is 7 is 999. Remainder 8. 1188 is 8. So it's as simple as that. Using this, how we use the number line knowledge. There's no time to be drawing the number line, but it's very important that you understand this, the number line, how the number line works. Very, very important. So at this point, we'll be drawing the curtain on today's exposition. And there's something I want you to do for me. Go to the previous video, use the same method to solve the assignment or the assignment or the take-homes given to you in the previous video. So see you in the next exposition. Thank you. Subscribe and share this very, very channel if you find this content resourceful.